Hey everyone, welcome back to the day 4 of our 15 days to discover your best self series. I am SK. If you are just joining us, don't forget to check out days 1, 2 and 3 where we talked about setting goals, overcoming obstacles and more. Today we are diving into how to build confidence, boost self-esteem and believe in yourself. Let's get started. First up, building confidence. Confidence comes from within and it starts with small steps. Celebrate your achievements no matter how small. Each success builds your confidence and prepares you for bigger challenges. My challenge is to motivate you and to change your life in a positive way. So motivate me and subscribe my channel now. Next, let's talk about boosting self-esteem. Practice self-care and positive self-talk. Remind yourself of your strengths and past successes. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift you. Well, we have made a website which will boost your overall life. Just check out thetruelife.com and create a difference in your life. Finally, believing in yourself is key. Trust in your abilities and know that you are capable of achieving great things. Take action, even if it's a small step, and watch how your belief in yourself grows. One great way to build confidence is by setting achievable goals. Break into big goals into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate each milestone to boost your confidence along with the way. Remember, failures are part of the journey. Each setback is a setup for a comeback. Learn from your experiences and don't be afraid to try again. This mindset will strengthen your self-belief. Be kind to yourself. Understand that everyone has moments of doubt. Treat yourself with the same compassion you would offer a friend. Alright, that wraps up day 4. Remember, building confidence, boosting self-esteem and believing in yourself, etc. are all steps toward discovering your best self. Keep pushing forward and stay tuned for our day 5. See you tomorrow in our next episode. Thanks for watching. Take care.